All right, how to make some easy pasta, especially if you got duck eggs, is even better. My brother Andre's learning how to cook. Better late than never. All right, 3 cups of flour sifted. Okay. Sifted flour. Again, that's 3 cups. We got 1 cup of eggs. It's 3 eggs. You can top it off with whatever water. Doesn't really matter, but you should try to put your salt in with your flour. I'm going to go about 3/4 teaspoon of salt. And blend. Pull off the sides. This one seems a little dry. Chop it up a little bit. You can do it just in a bowl. I like it usually with just chopsticks, but kitchen aids here, or Cuisinart. Teaspoon of water. Half a teaspoon of water. You want it to be as stiff as you can, but that's not bad. Move it around a little bit. So you want it a little dry and crumbly. And so if it's too wet, it won't go through the pasta machine. Or but I just roll it out with a wine bottle or a rolling pin, such as this one. So you don't really want it too wet. and just knead it by hand, either on the counter or in a bowl. I like a bowl. It gives me more control. And the nice thing is you don't even have to do much. Everybody needs it a million times. But now that's a good dough. Feels a little crumbly, but that's the best right there. Slightly crumbly, nothing left in the pan. Use this bag from sweet potatoes. Well, you boil these sweet potatoes and add flour to the same consistency. Boil this, take the meat out. Oh, Lord. More of a gnocchi or dumpling. But man, is it good. All right, take a plastic bag. Two seconds. That didn't take long. Wrap in the plastic bag, let it rest. 30 minutes or more. And then you can roll it out in a simple little pasta machine like that. Real simple.